Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take screenshot in WhatsApp DP. So let's just jump right over to that. First, open your WhatsApp account and choose a person of whom you want to take a screenshot of. So let's just say this is the person. So it is saying that screen recording blocked, and that is because WhatsApp have this privacy protection that do not allow anybody to take screenshot or video of the person. So what you can do is simply take a screenshot of this screen itself, take a screenshot just like this, and then you're going to be opening that screenshot and crop it out. So usually it is almost of the usable quality, so if you simply upscale it using any software, it is going to be even better. But yeah, you can see once you do this kind of crop, it is going to be doing the job. Or you can do this to any other images as well. So let's just say if you have somebody else you want to take a screenshot of, you can do that as well. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if you have any other questions, let us know in the comments below. See you around in the next video, and make sure to share the video with your friends if you liked it. See you.